Hi everyone, I'm Darren Nava from Zambales Realty, and I'm happy to meet you on our channel where I'm introducing you to the best properties for sale in Zambales. Zambales is known for its natural wonders, but it is also a place where commercial and social activities never stop, be it summer or rainy season. Is that all? Absolutely not. But it's time for you to see our today's offer. We feel lucky today as we are not showing you one, but two magnificent properties we found in Botolan, here in Barangay Santiago. Our first property has a total land area of 14,183 square meters, almost 1.5 hectare. Like other properties we offer, this is also secured with land title, and all papers are clean and ready to be sold to its new owners. Best and highest use for this property is for residential use, but also, since this is along Barangay Road, you can maximize its business potential for a commercial use. The property is flat land, with gorgeous mountain view and lots of open space. This place is really a breather and perfect for that simple rest house you've always dreamed of. Zambales has long been a favorite destination of people who seek a quick getaway. Located on the western side of Luzon, this province offers beautiful beaches, a lot of shopping and dining options, and a plethora of activities for both adults and children. So, it is not surprising that this place can attract people, especially tourists. Though, one factor that makes this province known is its ability to be rich at least an hour from Clark for approximately 48 kilometers and at least 2 hours from Manila, which is approximately 84 kilometers. This coastal town provides an escape from the city and undoubtedly offers an unforgettable experience. There's still a lot to tell about this neighborhood and this area, but it's time for now to see our today's offer. So enjoy this beautiful view and I'll see you on the other side. Like us on Facebook because we have lots of properties like this on our page. Please also subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss properties like this. You may also get in touch with us via our email and book your property viewing and shipping through our contact number posted. Our next property is just on the other side of our first property we visit. It's like 3 to 5 steps away from the first one. And just like the first lot we showed you, this is also secured with land title, also along Barangay Road, and best for both residential and commercial use. The advantage of living here in Barangay Santiago, Botolan is that you are near to many life's basic amenities such as the market, hospitals, energy and water provider, and also tourist destinations. Looking for a memorable adventure that can fully immerse you in the wonders of nature? Consider exploring the tourist spots in Zambales, home of pristine coves, beaches, forests, and waterfalls. Zambales is most popularly known as the Philippines' wreck diving capital. With its ports being a major battlefield during World War II, it's no surprise that you'll find shipwrecks here. Today, more and more adventurers and explorers are diving into its waters to explore wreckages and experience history. Zambales Realty also offers engineering services such as relocation, subdivision, segregation, topographic original survey, hydrographic survey, construction survey, parcellary survey, cadastral survey project, and many more. We also offer documents processing such as titling services for transfer and original certificate of title. We also have legal services for legal documentation for comprehensive research of property and status, and other due diligence. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss an offer like this, cause we're always on a lookout for best property deals to share with you. Stay safe. So this is it for today. I hope you'll find our video interesting. I will leave you all our contact details below. Please feel free to contact out and we are more than happy to help you find a property of your dream. Like and subscribe and see you on our next video. Ciao! Are you selling your property? Get it featured on our channel. Send us videos of your property at darrenchanava@gmail.com. Let's get it sold. We make buyer and sellers meet. Don't forget to subscribe for more properties.